We'll guide you through how to export GIF in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this guide carefully because skipping a step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop and use the taskbar search feature to find Google Chrome. Open the Google Chrome browser application, then enter Figma in the search bar and click the official Figma website from the search results. Make sure you're already logged into your Figma account before continuing. Once authentication is complete, the Figma main page will load in your browser. For this tutorial, select one of your recent projects from the dashboard. The edit page of your chosen project will then open, giving you access to all design and prototype tools. Before exporting anything, make sure your project already contains frames with the animated movements that you want to turn into a GIF file. If your animation moves between two frames, click the Prototype tab and add a flow starting point so the animation can play correctly during preview and export. Next, click Actions on the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. From a menu that appears, choose Plugins and Widgets, then type Export to GIF into the search field. Click the plugin from the results and select Run to launch it. When the plugin window opens, choose Continue as Guest and then click I'm ready to proceed. The plugin interface will prepare your project for export and display the available controls. Press the spacebar on your keyboard to preview the animation and confirm that everything plays as expected. Carefully review the motion, timing, and overall appearance before creating the final file. If the preview looks correct, click the Start Export button. The plugin will process the animation and generate a GIF version based on the frames in your project. Wait a few moments while the export finishes. After the process is complete, the GIF file will be downloaded automatically to your device, allowing you to use, share, or upload the animated image wherever you need it.